In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track an Uber Eats order. To get started, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and log into your Uber account if you are not already signed in. Make sure you are using the same account that you used to place the order, since your order history and live tracking details will only appear there. Once you are logged in, you'll be ready to find the order you want to follow. Next, go to your account area by tapping your account icon or profile picture. From there, select orders, or in some versions of the app, you may see your orders. This section shows both current and past orders. So if you've ordered recently, take a moment to choose the correct one. Tap the specific order you want to track to open its details page. After that, you'll be able to view your order status. This is where Uber Eats gives you live updates as your delivery moves through each stage. You may see messages like order confirmed, restaurant is preparing your food, courier is picking up your order, courier is on the way, and finally, delivery completed. These updates help you understand exactly where your order is in the process, so you know whether it's still being made, already picked up, or close to arriving. Once a courier has been assigned to your order, a map will usually appear on the screen. This map gives you a more detailed view of the delivery in real time. You can check the driver's location, the estimated arrival time, and the overall delivery progress. This is especially useful if you want to be ready at the door, meet the courier outside, or simply keep an eye on how close your food is. If needed, you can also contact the courier directly from the active order screen. Open the order, then tap contact, or use the message or call option if it appears in your app. This can be helpful if you need to provide delivery instructions, clarify where to meet, or share a quick update about your location. Keep your message short and clear so the delivery goes smoothly. Finally, when your order arrives, check the delivery details and follow the method you selected, whether that means meeting the courier or using your saved delivery instructions. Once you receive the order, take a moment to confirm that all items are included. That's it. You now know how to track an Uber Eats order from the moment it's placed all the way to delivery.